Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is having a beautiful and blessed day. So today's video is going to best show you how to deeply treat and heal your acne. I do suggest going to get a facial once a month just because a lot of these are professional products and you're going to need professional help in order to stop this chronic situation. However, a lot of these products that you're going to see me using on my client's skin today, you can actually purchase on your own and basically help treat your acne as well as that professional's help. But before we go ahead and get started, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you're doing that so I can keep filming these videos for you guys and so that I can know that you're enjoying my content. So the first thing you see me doing is touching her skin. I'm showing you on the side of her face, so basically you can see that there's some texture in this area and some dark spots as well. So my client did suffer from acne, but a lot of her acne has been healing. And a lot of you guys, your acne has healed, but it has left you these dark spots. So that's going to be the focus of this video today, as well as how to stop this acne from taking place. So the first product I'm using is the Ormedic Balancing Facial Cleanser. So this is a really good cleanser. Usually when you have acne, you have oily skin because that's all that acne is oily skin deposits. It's also called backed up sebum. So that's just when you have too much sebum, too much oil that's producing in your face. So you need something that's going to help bring your pH balance back to normal. So this is a really good product. This one is going to be listed down below. So as you can see, I'm using light pressure, but I'm also really forcing this product into the skin as well, just because I want it to really deeply penetrate into her skin so that we can draw that oil out. So everything I'm doing to the face, I'm definitely going to do to the neck and to the chest as well, just because usually what happens to the face, sometimes it happens to the rest of the body as well, which is why sometimes if you get breakouts on your face, you'll see them on your chest, you'll see them on your back, sometimes on your butt, but usually whatever happens to the face, that can also happen to the rest of the body. So we just want to make sure that we're cleansing everything thoroughly so that we don't have these skin issues on anywhere else. Now I am just going to be using a warm towel. Make sure that this towel is not too hot for your clients. Go ahead and test it on their shoulder first just to see if it's not too hot. But you want to make sure that you're using a warm towel just because this helps get the product off a lot better.
That means you're extra extraordinary.
So it's important to use two different cleansers when you are treating acneic skin, just because you're dealing with two different issues, the oiliness and the acne. So what you see me using is called the Clear Cell Salicylic Gel Cleanser. So salicylic acid is a really good acid that's used to treat acne. So basically it's going to help to reduce that redness and also that swelling in those bumps. And it also helps to unclog the pores. So basically when your pores are clogged and there's nothing coming out of them, guys, they basically just keep getting clogged and bacteria just keeps growing and growing. And so you really need to be getting that bacteria out and those pores unclogged just so that acne can stop forming. So all of these products will definitely be listed down below, guys. I really suggest that you at least get the cleanser and the mask that I'm going to be using at the end of the video, just because they are really good products. And as long as you're doing your home skin regimen and also going to see your esthetician at least once a month just so she can help you out as well, your acne should really start to heal on its own, and you're going to see that for yourself too. So these are just things that I suggest. None of these products are sponsored. These are just products that I've used on my clients and I've also used in school as well. So I have a lot of knowledge dealing with them, and I just highly suggest that you know, just help your skin out, and I want to help your skin out too. Okay, so now we are on to one of my favorite products by SkinScript. This is the Lemon Zest Enzyme Peel. So basically, this is a chemical exfoliator. You want to make sure that you're not using any manual exfoliators, which are like sugar, salt, you know, anything of that nature. Basically, because it's easy for acne to spread. So if you're moving your hands around and doing all that exfoliating, sometimes that acne can spread onto other parts that it don't even need to be on. So this is why we use chemical exfoliants, which are really good for the skin, really good for lightening those dark marks that a lot of people tend to have after their acne is healed, as well as it helps that acne not to spread because it's just staying in one place. Also, this is a really good peel for those who don't want the actual peeling that you see with some of those harsher peels like the Jesner peel. So the enzyme peels, because it's not a harsh one, you can use this in the summer, you can use it in the winter, you can basically use it whenever, you know, your esthetician feels that you need it, but it's a really good peel for those who don't want a harsh reaction. So this peel in particular contains lemon, it contains glycolic acid, kojic acid, and arbutin. All of these acids help to lighten the skin. So remember that as long as it took your skin to get the damage, it's going to take that amount of time for that damage to be removed. So You really have to be patient when it comes to your skin. I know a lot of people want things to happen quick, fast, in a hurry, but guys, that's just not going to happen with our skin. You need to be patient with it and treat it well too. Be kind to your skin, guys. But basically, when you do these type of peels, you want to do 3 to 6 sessions. Because it's not a harsh peel, it's not going to take just one session. It's going to take at least 3 to 6 tries, and that's when you will really start to see your skin start to lighten up and brighten up and really just get all that dead skin off, and you'll start to see that nice healthy glow. So in order for this product to penetrate even deeper into the skin, you want to make sure that you leave it on for 7 to 10 minutes and then remove. So these 7 to 10 minutes definitely go by super fast, but trust me, your clients will not be complaining because this is usually when they fall asleep and let that steam just hit their face. So as you can tell, her face looks so good. It looks so hydrated and so clear, and that's why she's smiling, y'all, because I told her that it looks really good. But you can start to see how much brighter it got already by all that dead skin falling off and that brightening process taking place. What I'm using now is called the Strawberry Spearmint Mask by SkinScript. So this is a really good mask for those who are suffering from oiliness or acne. Basically, strawberries are really good for taking out the inflammation and any of the bumps that you may have on your skin. So if you have any impurities, make sure you're getting a mask that gets really hard. So this can be a charcoal mask, a clay mask, basically anything that's going to help draw out those impurities, and something that's going to lock in the moisture as well. So after you get done applying, you want to make sure that this stays on for at least 7 to 10 minutes, just so the product can really work its magic. And after this, y'all, your skin will be glowing, 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 glowing.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are.
So once you remove the mask, you basically are almost done, to be honest, y'all. It's just a few more products that I have to put on, but with acne, it's really just applying product to help treat the acne. There's not really too much specifics that you have to get into. This is not rocket science. It's honestly very simple for all my estheticians out there and the clients that want to know how to treat their skin as well. It's really just simple products that you have to put on and consistency.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you.
Okay, so what I'm doing now, you just see me drying off her skin. So the next tool that I'm going to be using, you want to make sure that your skin is really dry, just so you don't have any sparking or any electricity running through your body.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
What you see me using now is called high frequency. So this tool is really good for those who suffer from acne or who suffer from breakouts. So this is a really good tool. So basically, it takes all the bacteria out of those bumps from forming, and it also reduces any of the swelling in any of the bumps that you may have. Also, if you do have a bump, it really is going to help raise it to the surface so that it can be extracted and so that they can come out better. So this is the Clear Cell Medicated Acne Lotion. This product contains benzoyl peroxide, tea tree extract, and chamomile. This product is really good at healing any skin irritation that you may have from your bumps, as well as taking out that redness that usually comes along with acne. This is a really good and powerful product that I suggest that you also get, and you can definitely put this one on every single day. I've had a lot of clients say that they love it, and also it really does work to heal this acne, guys. So this is a good one that I suggest that you tune into. You also don't need much product at all with this one. All these products though, you don't need much product at all. Seriously guys, a little bit goes a long way. And it still has that same powerful effect as if you were to put a whole bunch on. I think a lot of people think the more product the better, but not with these products. These will last you a long time and they still have those powerful healing effect to it. Next, I am using the Peptide Eye Serum by SkinScript. So this is a really good product that's going to help fade those dark marks and those dark circles under your eyes. I'm also going to put a little bit on the top of her eye, just because she says that her eyes tend to get dry sometimes. So if you're suffering from dry eyes and also dark circles under your eyes, this is a really good product for you as well. The last and final product, y'all, I am putting on the Mint Lip Hydrator by SkinScript. So this is a really good product if you suffer from dry lips or if you suffer from chapped lips. I just go ahead and put a lip serum on my clients just because their lips tend to get dry after a facial and we want to replenish that moisture. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video helped you out. I also want to let you know, guys, good luck on your journey. I know that acne can be very frustrating for some, but I just want to tell you that it can get better. Just go do your monthly facials and do your home care regimen too, as well as eat better. Don't eat anything with greasy foods. That can cause acne as well. And as always, drink plenty of water. Guys, you're going to do it. It's going to be fine. I believe in you. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Bye.